Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to upload a passport photo to a computer in 2025. Whether you're applying for a visa, updating your ID, or just organizing your digital files, getting that photo onto your computer is easier than ever with today's tech. I'm excited to walk you through this step by step, so you can do it quickly and without any hassle. First things first, make sure your passport photo is ready. It should be a clear, high-quality image in JPEG or PNG format. Most passport photos are already digital, but if yours is physical, you'll need to scan it. Grab a scanner if you have one at home, or use your smartphone's camera to take a high-res photo of it. Pro tip: use good lighting to avoid any shadows or blurriness. Once you have the digital file, let's get it to your computer. If you're using a phone, the simplest way is through a USB cable. Connect your phone to your computer, unlock your device, and select the file transfer option. On Windows, it might pop up in File Explorer. On a Mac, look for it in the Finder. Just drag and drop the photo from your phone's storage to a folder on your computer. If you prefer wireless methods, email works great. Attach the photo to an email and send it to yourself, then download it on your computer. Or, use cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or iCloud. Upload the photo from your phone app, and access it on your computer by logging into the same account. In 2025, many services have improved AI features to auto-organize your files, so your photo might even get sorted into a Documents folder automatically. After uploading, double-check the file. Open it to ensure it's not pixelated or cropped incorrectly, and resize it if needed using free tools like Photoshop Express or built-in editors on your computer. Remember, official requirements vary, so always verify the size and format before submission. There you have it. That's how you upload your passport photo in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay digital savvy.